Hello and welcome. In this Unity 2D tutorial, we'll create a classic platformer game from scratch. This is part 1, where we'll set up the background, build platforms using tiles, and get our character moving and attacking, using the new Unity input system. We can use computer keyboard to control character, or using external player controller, such as PlayStation controller. In the end of this part 1 tutorial, I will show you how to use input system to set up controller for the game. Let's get started. Let's create a Unity project. Select 2D built-in render pipeline, enter name of project, then create. First, let's build a game environment. I've prepared a game assets. You can download the final project in my Patreon for free. Link will be provided in video description. Drag sky sprite to the scene. Adjust sky position and scale. Do the same with cloud sprite. Next, let's build the platforms using tiles. Creating tile palette. Go to Game Object, 2D Object, Tilemap, Rectangular. Import a platform tile set sprite, and set it to sprite mode, multiple in the inspector. Then open the sprite editor and slice it. Drag sprites into tile palette, and start painting the map. Now let's bring in our character. Import a character sprite sheet that includes all animations, such as idle, run, jump, and attack. Drag them to the scene to create animations. Open animation window and adjust frame rate sample. Rename animation controller. Now let's add colliders for character, platform, and ground. Let's add a script to move our character using the new input system and a PS4 controller. We'll create a new script called player controller and attach it to the player. Let's complete the character animator, add more animations and make logic for animation controller. Group idle and run state into blend space. Set speed as value. You can test multiple animations from animation window. Set ground blend space as default state. Make transition between 3 states, and add variables. Cool, we've done the animation state machine. Now add custom input controller class. Make sure to create a new input actions asset. Add a move action set to value vector 2, and a jump action set to button. For faster, you can copy from default input system. Remember to assign as the project input action. Check again for all input actions. Then generate the C# class and reference it in the script. Name it Player Controls. Now come back to Player Controller script and continue update player movement and attack. Add ground layer for ground collision. Set all colliders layer to ground. Add ground check position for the character, move it to the bottom leg of the character. And reference to player controller script. Perfect, let's test. I'm using keyboard navigation to move the character, space to jump and left click to attack. Very nice. In part 2, we will add enemies and coins for more testing. Let open in full screen mode and connect to PlayStation controller. Now we've got a background, platforms, character movement, jump, and even a working attack animation. In part 2, we'll add enemy AI and coin collectibles. Make sure to like and subscribe to Mr. Wonder How, and let's keep building this game.